It is raining here in SoCal. Today is a perfect day to make some oxtail, Thai beef noodle soup. Oxtail is so delicious when it falls off the bone. It's just so juicy and gelatinous. Today we're gonna cut time by using an Instapot. The Instapot today I'm using is 8 quart. And for your convenience, all the ingredients and measurements is in the description. Alright, we're gonna start by unlocking the lid. And now I'm gonna add in my oxtail. Get all that meat and the marbling. So delicious, guys. If you guys never had oxtail, you guys are missing out. So I'm using about 2 pounds. You can use any kind of roast meat you want. Beef rack ribs, you can use any kind of pot roast, any stew meats. That would be very delicious. Next, we're gonna add cilantro stem. So I'm just gonna cut that. So I have one big bundle here. Hard to find is cilantro root. So if you have that, go ahead and use that. Next, put in 4 pieces of star anise. Next, 2 slices of galangal. This is used a lot in Thai cooking, okay? You'll see this a lot in tom yum. It has a very citrusy high note. A family member of ginger. Put that in. Next, we're gonna grind up some black peppercorn. You don't wanna bite into this, it's very, very strong. We're just gonna grind this up in a pestle and mortar or a processor on something like this. So I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon. Next, we're gonna add 2 pieces of bay leaf. Next, I'm gonna slightly bruise 6 garlic cloves. You don't wanna do this, you could just mince it. Next, we're gonna add 1 or 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks. Next, I'm gonna use 1/4 of a teaspoon of fennel. Next, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cloves. Next, this is the star of the show, 1/4 of a cup of seasoned soy sauce. Next, 1 thin tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce. This is the gold cap, okay? It's hard to find, but it is so good. So there's like a white cap, blue cap. You want to look for the gold cap, okay? Next, we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of fish sauce. Next, we're gonna add 3 rock sugar. Next, we're gonna add the beef paste. I like to use the Peppercorn brand right here. We're gonna need 20 ounces. So we're gonna use 2.5 jars of this. This is crucial, okay guys? This is a must. You have to use this. Comes out like this. Here's the trick to get all of this out. See that? There's a lot left over. This is very expensive, so you don't want anything to go to waste, okay? So I'm just gonna pour some hot water. Piping hot water in there. And then just gonna cover it up. Shake, 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 shake. Pour the hot water in there. Shake, 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 shake. Get that all out. And then now you could just pour that all in there. Ta-da! See that? Nothing goes to waste. Next, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of chicken bouillon. You can use this brand right here. It's gonna be a little bit more expensive, or you can use chicken broth for the cheaper route. And lastly, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Now that everything's in here, we're gonna add water to the max line. Add that. Alright, so here's when the magic happens. We're gonna pressure cook it. Make sure you twist it to lock it in. And now we're gonna hit the pressure cook button and we're gonna set it for hour and 20 minutes. It's gonna take a couple minutes to build up the pressure. While this pressure cooking, let's go ahead and prepare our veggies and herbs. Here are all my veggies and herbs. So right here I have bean sprouts, Chinese broccoli gailan. Just cut them into bite-sized pieces. And then the stem here, you want to cut it thinly so this way when you blanch it, it cooks really easy. I have some Thai chilies to eat it with, some lime. You can use whatever kind of greens you want. I have baby bok choy as well. This has all been washed and cleaned already. You just mince up some cilantro and scallions. Now typically I put all my spices and aromatics in a cheesecloth or a spice bowl. So all you gotta do is place all the spice in here, close it up, and then you put it inside the Instapot. Or you use a cheesecloth and you put all the spices here and tie it up. I understand that a lot of time people don't have that at home. So today I did it without. Once everything is cooked, I was gonna strain the broth using a colander and remove all the spices. You guys hear that? Listen to this. It is boiling in there. Next, we're gonna soak our rice noodles. I like to use this pre-hydrated one. It's really good. So we're just gonna soak it there. All right, we're down to 1 minute right here if you look. So you can wait for it to cool down, it will naturally release, or you could just hit this button right here to release the steam. So it should be beeping soon, okay? See, we're done. All right, we're done, guys. So here comes the fun part. Alright guys, so now it's time. We're gonna hit the release button. It's gonna piping out of here all the steam, so be careful. When you press on it, go ahead and back out, okay? Because it's gonna, the whole house is gonna steam up, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hit the... You press it and then you lock it. Look at that. Wow, be careful. This right here could be very dangerous, so back out, okay? Very hot. This should go for a couple minutes, so the whole house smells amazing now. So this was the quick release one. So it's been a couple minutes now and the steam is starting to die out. If you don't want to do this, you could just let it cool down, and once the pressure cools down, then you'll have a natural release. But this one is a quick release, okay? So now it's getting not as loud no more, so the pressure is almost done. Once it's all done, you'll be able to open it, and I cannot wait to show you how the oxtail is. It probably fell off the bone already, but I cannot wait to show you guys. It's gonna be so tender, juicy, so flavorful. I love pressure cooker. I'm gonna have to watch it and it just cooks itself. See the noise is dying out? Alright, we're almost done, guys. So this little knob thing, probably can't see it. It'll fall down and then you'll be able to open it. See? Hear that noise? Now you'll be able to open it. So, does it open? Wow, guys. This is amazing. Look at this. Put that down, and now let's take a look at our oxtail. Alright, I'm gonna try to fish out the oxtail, okay? It's right here. Ooh, look at the oxtail. Wow, there it is. Wow, take a look at the oxtail. Look at how soft and tender it looks. But wait till I pull it apart. It's gonna fall off its bone. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Fall off the bone. Wow, that looks amazing, guys, doesn't it? I'm gonna try a piece, guys. Now we're gonna add our beef meatballs. You can find this package in the frozen area. They look like this. They're already fully cooked. And then we're all done, guys. Next step is you're gonna want to strain the broth to get rid of all the spices, okay? You're gonna blanch your noodles for a couple seconds, then you put it in a bowl. Next, you're gonna blanch your veggies, and then you're gonna add in your desired amount of oxtail beef meatball, adding your desired amount of broth. Put it with your favorite toppings. I like to put fried garlic, chili powder, sriracha, mix it all up, and then I like to add a lot of chili oils, and then put in some bean sprouts and your choice of veggies and herbs, and then you're done. Enjoy!